Good morning, this is Dennis Gerard with Guarantee RV here in Junction City on this beautiful fall day as we're enjoying our parking lot sale. So we're going to take a look today at this 2019 Thor Venetian G36. I think it's important that we point out this is a Thor. You know, almost 6 out of 10 RVs are built by Thor, the #1 manufacturer of RVs in the US. They're working very hard to have better quality while making sure we have all the amenities. As we go through, you'll see this as a great floor plan. And one thing I'll say about Thor, when you look at the inside, it's almost like it's Americana. Great colors, great woods, tremendous floor plan. So let's take a look and see. As we go around the outside, this is a great coach in a little shorter length. So a very large LP tank up here at the first compartment. Pull-out tray, pass-through storage here. This is our water tank here. Nice thing on this water tank, not only can you fill with your hose, but you can also have a visual indicator of what level you have. Chassis batteries with the disconnect up on the right-hand side. Nice location there, easy access. And here we have our power converter, our solar panel, our relays, all in one easily accessible location. Going back around the coach, this one is on a 400 horse Cummins engine. Does have roof deck and ladder, side air intake, 50 amp, 4 house batteries. One of the nice things is that little notch there for the power cord. Instead of having to fish your cord through the hole in the floor, you can just lay it in the notch and shut the door. Quick and easy. DEF tank. Service bay. Very nicely laid out with the Anderson valve. Whether it's bypassing the tank or filling the tank or winterizing the tank, all from one location without having to move your water hose. The other side of our pass-through. The other side of our pull-out. You know, the nice thing on these trays, tremendous capacity, but they can also be pulled either direction. Aqua Hot. This is a propane 250 Aqua Hot. Does a great job of supplying nice, warm, even heat throughout the coach. Dual fills on this coach, fill from either side. Our leveling system along with our chassis controllers. Come around the front, you know, front engine, awning. You'll see as we look around the interior just how Americana. Beautiful colors, great layout. This one has a pull-out 2 chairs extra. Table can be pulled out to different depths. L sofa. You know, I think we can all envision ourselves on a rainy day sitting here with the fireplace on watching this TV. Look at the size of that TV. That may hold the record for the biggest TV in an RV there. Sony's, so it's going to have a great picture. So we're coming back through, center bath. The shower has a nice corner seat. So we come back in the bedroom, wardrobe across the back. Comes with washer and dryer. Plenty of drawers. Nice storage across here. One of the things that Thor does is they hide some extra storage in behind the TV. You can lift the TV up. You have your Sony DVD player there. King bed. Don't know if you've had the opportunity to look at these controllers, but on these controllers in the Thors, It has everything you need, from your light master, from your fans, your climate control. One of the really cool things is you can actually put this on a mobile app on your phone. You can control your slide outs and your awnings off your phone, so you can be standing outside as you carefully run your slide outs in and out without worrying about bumping into things. So nice center bath. As we come back up front, really look at the deep sinks. Very, very well done. They always seem to have pop-up surprises for us right here. We have additional receptacles. One of those things we can never have too many of. Two burner induction cooktop. And the other nice thing, look at the amount of drawers they've given us here in this kitchen. And then convection microwave with the panel on the door, which gives us additional room in the microwave. Very elegant backsplash. And a large two-door refrigerator, ice on the door, ice and water. And this one even comes with Budweiser, Bud Light, and beer. What a deal. So you buy this coach, we will get you off and camping, all in one big shot. So thank you very much. This is Dennis Stroud with Guarantee RV. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of this Thor Venetian G36, and I hope you've enjoyed the Americana look of this coach. Come see us. We'd love to take a test drive. Thank you very much.